Welcome everyone. Question on normality and molarity. The molarity of 0.2 normal K2SO4 solution is, choices are A 0.4 molar, B 0.3 molar, C 0.2 molar, D 0.1 molar. Answer is D 0.1 molar. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here is given a 0.2 normal K2SO4 solution. We know that molarity is equal to normality by N, where N is number of cations into charge on cations, or number of anions into charge on anions. K2SO4 dissociates to form 2 K plus ions and 1 SO4 2 minus ion. Therefore, molarity is equal to 0.2. It is the normality of K2SO4 by 2 for 2 potassium cations into 1. Charge of the potassium cation is plus 1 is equal to 0.1 molar. Thank you for watching this video.